four intonation of Chinese pinyin are, the first intonation is the high level tone, ma, 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 means mother. The second intonation is the fall rising tone, ma, 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 means horse. The third intonation is the rising tone, ma, 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 means industrial plant. The fourth and the last tone is the falling tone, ma, 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 means mad. The last and the first tone is ma, ma. The second intonation is different from the third intonation. The second intonation is ma, ma, and the third intonation is ma, ma. The third intonation has short-term time. Second than the second intonation that makes it different from each other.